Good morning, calculus class. This is Miss G. It is Friday, April 17th. Yay, we made it to Friday. So today what I have for you is just a couple of questions from the homework that were requested from yesterday's homework, page 348, number 12 and 22. So I'm going to go through those. If you got those, then the only assignment for this weekend is to go and upload your homework assignments to Google Classroom, okay? And email me if you have any problems with that. All right, so number 12, find the area of the region. Our function is y equals 2 over the square root of x, and here is the graph. And we're integrating from 1 to 4 the function 2 over the square root of x dx. So we had to set up the integral. We had the picture, the diagram of our graph, and we are integrating from 1 to 4. Those are the limits of integration, and the function is 2 over the square root of x. And we put our dx in. Okay, so we need to rewrite this as 2x to the negative 1/2 so we can use our power rule. So now our integral is the integral from 1 to 4 of 2x to the negative 1/2 power dx. And then we do our power rule. We add 1 to the exponent, we get 1/2. We divide the coefficient 2 by the new exponent, 1/2, 2 divided by 1/2. We get 4x to the 1/2, and now we're going to evaluate it from 1 to 4. So we plug 4 in first. So that gives us 4 times 4 to the 1/2 power, which we know is the square root of 4, minus 4, and then we plug our 1 in, and we get times the square root of 1. And that turns out to be 4 times 2 minus 4 times 1, or 8 minus 4, or 4. And there you go. That's number 12. Okay, I really need to, this is bugging me, mark that as the x-axis, and that's the y. Okay. All right, next problem, number 22. Okay, this looks like a lot, so let's do step by step. All right, so this one is the integral from negative 1 to 1 of 1 minus 2x quantity squared. And so I'm just going to do this one the easiest way because we have an exponent that's 2, not a 7, not a 10. So we can just FOIL this out. So that's what I'm going to do first before I integrate. I'm going to multiply 1 minus 2x times 1 minus 2x. And so that gives me 1 minus 2x plus 4x squared. I know you all know how to do that, and then I just combine like terms. So simplifying that, I get 1 minus 4x plus 4x squared dx integrated from negative 1 to 1. So now I have to find the antiderivatives of all these terms. So the antiderivative of 1 is x. And then if we do our little rule where we add 1 to the exponent and divide 4 by the new exponent being 2, we'll get 2x squared. Bring our minus down. And then add 1 to the exponent here on our x squared, we get x cubed, and then we divide 4 by the new exponent, 4/3. So our antiderivative is x minus 2x squared plus 4/3 x cubed. And we're going to evaluate that from negative 1 to 1. We plug the upper limit in first. So here I plug 1 for every x in this expression, and I'm going to subtract what I get when I plug the lower limit, negative 1, into the expression, which I did here. And the rest is just arithmetic. So I did my arithmetic. I get 1 minus 2 plus 4/3 minus negative 1 minus 2 minus 4/3. And then I simplified the first, well, I just recopied it, I guess. 1 minus 2 plus 4/3. But I have to remember to distribute the negative, making this positive 1, this positive 2, and this positive 4/3. The 2's subtract out, and I end up with 2 plus 8/3, which is 2 plus 2 2/3, or 4 2/3, which is 4.667, or 4 667 thousandths. Okay, that's it for the 2 requested problems. The only assignment I have for this weekend, you'll be happy to know, is just to go on Google Classroom and upload all the assignments that are listed there. 4 of those assignments are from before spring break. So just find those assignments and upload them there in the appropriate assignment. And then upload the ones from this week, which are also listed out there. Okay? I did send an email earlier this week on Wednesday, I believe, and it did talk about uploading to Google Classroom. There should also be a video out there on Google Classroom to show you how to upload. I think I posted, Mr. Hughes complimentary gave me his video to post. All right, so I hope you have a great weekend. I hope you're getting this concept, and I will see you on next week. Okay, bye.